Hi, this is Noah from Health and Balance. Today I'm going to show you a stretch and an exercise to help treat plantar fasciitis. Plantar fascia is the thick connective tissue on the bottom of your foot here. It runs from your heel to your toes. Sometimes it can get really inflamed from having a very high arch or having a flat foot. So, one of the major causes of plantar fasciitis is tight calf muscles. The tension will run from the calf to the bottom of the foot and wrap around. So the first thing we're going to do is stretch our calf. So what I want to do is plant my back heel on the ground, bend that knee, and push into the wall until you feel a stretch in the back here. Hold that for 10 to 15 seconds. Once you've got that released, do the other side. 10, 15 seconds, good. Now, what I want you to get is a ball. You can get a tennis ball, a lacrosse ball, or a golf ball. Any of these will work. And what you want to do is place it on the underside of your foot and find where those tight spots are. Wherever it's the most sensitive, that's where you want to dial in, because the scar tissue has more nerve endings than regular tissue. Find that spot that really hurts and roll it out. Good. Get it to release, and that's your tip for the day.